In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your line ID. This is the quick identifier people can use to add you online without sharing your phone number, so it's handy to know exactly where to find it and what it looks like. Start by opening the Line app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that the app is up to date, since menu labels and icons can shift slightly with newer versions. If Line asks you to log in, follow the prompts to sign into your account. Keep your credentials private, and if you're using verification codes, have access to your email or text messages so you can complete the sign-in smoothly. Once you're in, go to the Home tab. You'll typically see the home icon along the bottom of the screen. It looks like a small house. From the home screen, look to the top right corner and tap the gear icon. That gear takes you straight into settings, where all of your account details and preferences live. At the very top of the settings menu, tap Profile. This is where Line stores your personal info, like your display name, profile photo, status message, and your unique Line ID. On the profile screen, look just below your profile picture and display name for the field labeled ID or Line ID. That entry is your unique identifier. It's different from your display name and usually contains letters, numbers, or a mix of both. If you need to share it, you can read it out exactly as shown or copy it down to send to a friend. When someone searches for that ID inside Line, they'll be able to find and add you. A couple of helpful notes as you look at this screen. If you see that the ID field looks blank or shows something like not set, your account may not have an ID yet. Depending on your region, age, or account status, you may have the option to create one right here. Keep in mind that Line IDs are typically unique and, in many cases, can't be changed once they're set, so choose carefully. You may also notice a setting nearby that controls whether others can find you by this ID. If you plan to share your ID widely, double-check that preference and only share your ID with people you trust. That's it. Open Line, go to Home, tap the gear, open Profile, and read the ID under your picture. Now you know exactly where your Line ID lives and how to share it confidently. Thanks for watching and happy connecting.